Hello guys, so tonight I'm going to be folding my volkssturmgewehr or vg1-5. This is one of several of the rifle. This is the iconic version. So the vg 1-5, I heard it's not the actual name or something like that, but it's like the name like written in some kind of document thing or whatever. Yeah. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Okay, so first you need a square sheet of paper, and you're gonna start out with a boat base. So first I'm gonna fold a water bomb base. So first you want to fold it in half like this, and then you want to fold it in half again like so. Then you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down like so. And then you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing here. Okay, so you want to open up this pocket right there and then fold that down. Okay. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. So you want to bring that point right here all the way up to this top edge, okay? And make sure it lines up with the center right there. Okay, then you're going to sink this triangle inside, okay? So you want to unfold and make sure you made a good crease here, okay? Then you want to open up the whole area right here. So you see the smaller square in the middle. You want to fold up all the side crease line, okay? Okay, just like that. Then you want to fold down on the central portion here. So you want to follow the crease line and kind of fold it down. Okay, so you see this triangle, you want to fold that triangle down like so, and you see the triangle here as well. Fold that down and like so. Okay, and now make sure the longer edge is facing towards you and the shorter edge in the back. Okay, and now you see this back bottom piece. You want to fold in this triangle. Okay, so you see where that corner is right there. You want to fold right where that corner is. Okay, and then you want to unfold and open up this pocket, then fold that right inside. Okay, like so. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. So make sure the longer edge is facing towards you, okay? And fold it right in half. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you see this triangle right here. So the bottom piece in the front. So if you look right here, yeah, you want to fold that triangle inside. So you see where that corner is right there? You want to fold this triangle back where that corner is. Okay, make sure it lines up with the top and kind of lines up with that corner as well in the back. Then unfold, then open up that pocket, then fold that right inside. Then you're going to fold a little bit of this triangle as well. So leave just a little bit between that corner and that edge. So the stock is a little elongated. And you're gonna fold that triangle right inside, okay? Just leave just a little bit of that edge. Okay, unfold. Then you're gonna open up that pocket right there and fold that triangle right inside, okay? And now you see this back bottom piece right here. You're gonna fold that all the way down. Like so. Then you're gonna sink the back piece inside, okay? So fold this down like so, so you can see this triangle right here. Then you want to fold the side edge to the center line, okay? And don't fold into the triangle, but just up to this crease line right here, okay? So bring that edge to the center line and fold it right up to that triangle right here. So as you can see, this is the triangle, and stop right there on the crease line. Same thing here. So you see this triangle and that crease line. So fold right up to that crease line right there, okay? So fold that edge to the center line right up to that triangle. Okay, then fold right across from the crease line, then fold right against the gun. Okay, and now you see this bottom piece right here. You want to fold that right up to the magazine, okay? So bring this edge and fold it right against, right onto the center line, okay? And you're gonna now fold this piece in half. So you wanna flip it over to the other side and bring the bottom piece right up to the top. So to do that, you need to zigzag fold right around the end here. But you see this handguard, it's kind of in the way, so it might be a little tricky, but if you get the hang of it, it'll be okay, I guess. So if you want, you can kind of move it aside just a little bit. So fold this in half. And kind of zigzag fold at the end. Okay, it might be a little bit tricky. I mean, yeah, a little bit hard to fold, but just and fold the handguard back and kind of squish everything down. Okay, and now you're going to make the barrel now. So if you see that top corner right there, so you're going to zigzag fold right where that top corner is. So fold this back like that, and then fold it back forward. And you see that triangle, fold it right up, fold that tip and line it up with this corner right here, okay? So up to that corner, so you see, or around there. Then unfold. Then you want to open up that pocket right there and fold that right inside. Okay, then you want to fold the edge and fold the edge towards the center. But for this, you want to open up this back pocket right here, so it makes that little slant in the front. Okay, so fold that edge down, and same thing here. Okay, to make the barrel. Okay, like so, and fold that bottom edge up to make the hand guard. Okay, and kind of shape that up, line up the barrel right here. Okay, now for a stock, so you see where that corner, that bottom corner is right here. You want to fold that right up to that center line where the magazine, where the front of the magazine is. Okay, like so. And you see that top corner right there, you want to fold that right up to this back edge. Like so. Then you want to fold the edge down right up to these corners in the back. So from here, fold a little bit of that edge right up to those corners. And same thing on the bottom. To make the stock, kind of fold it down a little bit, drag it down a little bit to kind of shape out the stock as well. Okay, then you're going to zigzag fold the magazine. So you want to open up the back pocket, fold it all the way down, then fold a little bit on the top here, then kind of close that up. Okay, so here is the volkssturmgewehr. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.